How to adjust a garden gate that has been fitted with adjustable hook and band hinges. All Jackson's garden gates are fitted with adjustable hinges and ring latch as standard to allow the gate to be adjusted whenever necessary. This gate is over 10 years old, and as with every wooden garden gate across its lifespan, the timber will naturally move. To ensure the gate continues to function as it should, you may need to adjust the gate every so often, depending on a number of elements. It could be the weather or the amount of usage. In addition, this gate was fitted with a Brenton bolt, which now does not slide across properly due to the movement of the gate. So what we need to do is adjust the hinges to ensure the bolt can slide across properly and the gate closes sufficiently. It's worth noting that other types of garden gate hinges exist, like T hinges, which aren't adjustable. They would need to be removed from the gate and refitted. This is a major advantage of adjustable hinges. When this gate was installed, a 10mm gap would have been left between the gate itself and the posts or wall plates. The gate would have been fitted snug against the shutting strips that are attached to the post. This helped reduce movement. The ring latch would have been positioned so that it closes smoothly and latches. We want to try to achieve all of the above again when we readjust the gate. Before I explain how to adjust the gate, let's become familiar with the key parts of this gate setup. We have a hang post, in this case it's a wall plate as it attached to a wall, and this is what the gate is hanging from. Then we have the gate itself. Lastly, we have the slam post. This post is where the gate closes against or can slam against. So what I need to do is adjust the hook and band hinges so that the gate closest to the slam post rises slightly and our Brenton bolt works again. To do so, all you'll need is a 19mm spanner, or in this case, I'm using a small adjustable spanner. The hinge has two nuts. I need to loosen the nut closest to the hang post, maybe 2 or 3 times, and then repeat with the other nut. This will move the gate towards the hang post, raising the other side of the gate that is closest to the slam post. Now, as you can see, the Brenton bolt engages much more smoothly than before and lines up with the receiver once again. You may need to keep readjusting until you're happy with the position of the gate, or in my case, the position of the Brenton bolt. If the gate needs to be realigned in the opposite direction, then I would need to move the gate slightly towards the slam post. So I'd want to loosen the nut furthest from the hang post, just a couple of times as before, and then we'll tighten the nut on the other side of the band hinge. This is where the gate will start to move towards the slam post. It is worth noting that while the nuts are loose, the band part of the hinge allows for some movement in the opposite direction. This is important as you always want the gate itself to sit nice and snug against the shutting strips on the opposite side of the gate. Anyway, we can now see that the Brenton bolt lines up perfectly with the centre of its key. The gate opens and closes perfectly, and the ring latch also easily engages with the key. This gate is nicely in line with the slam post from adjusting the top hinge, but in some cases the bottom hinge may need to be adjusted if the gap is different between the top and bottom of the gate. To do this, we would adjust the bottom hinge in exactly the same way as the top. Thank you for watching. If you require any further help, please do not hesitate to contact our customer service team.